What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have an adjustable wrench, but this is not just any adjustable wrench, you guys. This is a adjustable torque wrench. All right. Now, this is not like a torque wrench where you got the numbers or stuff like that, and you can have your settings. This is basically a torque wrench to where you can like have better leverage and stuff like that. So I did get this from TikTok shop, you guys. I bought this from TikTok shop. If you're not a TikTok fan or TMU fan, I will try to post the exact or a similar tool or product from Amazon, because I know most of my shopping base is from Amazon. So this is a cool adjustable wrench, you guys. You do have your little knob right here. You can hit that knob and it will go into a 90-degree angle. If you're under the sink or something, then you can get that screw right under the sink. All right, or whatever you need that's in a hard place to reach, that you need to get into an angle like that. You can reach and you can stop it at different angles. All right, so the mechanism, if you just go down, but make sure you hold it though, because it's hard to stop it in the spot you need. So it has some good angles to it. I don't know the exact angles, like 45 degrees and all of that stuff. So I will try to post it for you. It does says 5 and 180 degrees. All right. So that's what it says. As far as all the degrees, I will try to look it up. If they don't announce it, then we just have to go with the angles we have, right? All right, so you have that right there. Now, another cool thing about this adjustable wrench, this is cool right here. You see this metal part right here? If you slide that up, all right, it's locked right now. But if you slide it down, look at that. So you will have better leverage if you need to get like a little bit longer, because sometimes when you reach a screw like this and this is all the leverage you have to kind of get to it, or sometimes you have to put it up in an angle like that. And let's say this is all you can get, you can just lift up, say my finger is the screw. You can lift up and then you can go down. So that's pretty cool right there. I think that's pretty cool, you guys. So now you can put it back up, you can lock it. All right, so another thing, they said in the description, this is 10 inches. So here goes your adjustable right here. You have 3 little knobs right here for adjustability, and then we're going to measure it to test out the integrity of this, and we have 12 inches. Another thing with this is so many features. Okay, so you can actually take this off, and you see the teeth right here, you can take it off, and if you need to get a better grip on your bolt, flip it, screw it on, and there you go. Now I know this one is in a little bit of an angle, but you can still get a grip right there. Very rigid. And then that's as much as it closes. Okay. All right. So if that's not your style, then you can take it back off and put it back to normal. Okay, so let's see. Y'all, opening. Comfortable opening would be 2 inches. So you have 2-inch opening right here. All right. And you guys, I believe that should be it. This is pretty cool, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. This is gonna be one of my favorites that's going in the toolbox. Like I said, we will be upgrading our toolboxes and all of that stuff. A lot of our old adjustable wrenches, we are just going to toss them. They rusty, they're done, they're old, over 20 years old. gotta go. We want new tools, you guys. We want new tools. And that's what we're going to be working on this year. I don't care if the tool is small. I don't care if it seems like a tool that's useless. It may be useless for you, but it might be useful for somebody else. All right. All right, you guys. Now, that is it. I do not know how to drop TikTok links. I will try to figure it out. Once I figure it out, just look in the description. I will drop the Amazon link, though. I did find one on Amazon, so that's pretty cool. All right. But as far as TikTok goes, I will try to figure out how to drop a link. Just if you're a TikTok, you want to go on TikTok shop. I know a lot of people not on TikTok, but it's always good to try out different stores and stuff just to see shipping. Oh yeah, and the shipping took about maybe 5 days. I would say it wasn't that long. So 5 days shipping for me. It did not take long at all, you guys. As soon as I ordered it, it was like it was here. So it's not fast as Amazon. You know, sometimes Amazon is, you can't beat Amazon Prime, you guys. I know it's expensive. It's $140 now. I was on Amazon Prime when it was like $80 a year. Now it's $140 a year, and I am blah, blah, blah on this review. Okay, you guys, that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.